Hey everyone, this is Samantha and Kayley with the Boulder City Library. Today we're introducing a new program aimed at adults, but really for all ages. It is going to be called How Not to Burn Toast, a novice's guide to cooking basics. So we'll be doing cooking basics. It was inspired by this book right here. It's called You Suck at Cooking. Really good cookbook, highly recommend it. Happy smiley toasty kind of thing going on. So this is going to be in a webinar format, so you'll be able to participate a little bit, but primarily we'll be posting it on our Facebook page so that you can watch it and hopefully learn a few things about cooking.
So like the title says, it's for novices, but we also want to branch out and include everybody, even if you're a moderate home chef or if you're a bit more of an expert home chef. It would be a great place for everyone to share ideas and different cooking methods that they use at home. Some of the future topics that we'll be covering is cooking basics, pantry staples, easy weeknight meals, maybe different ideas of yummy ways to cook vegetables. But we also want library patron participation as well, with different ideas on what you guys might want to see from the episodes. We will be posting these webinars every first Thursday of the month, so keep an eye out on our social media pages for the information about how to join the webinar and where the videos will be posted after that. So thanks everybody, we'll see you soon. Bye.
Take two.
Woohoo!